Hello viewers, I am Deepti. Today I am going to solve numericals based on lens formula. As I have seen, some students are making error in placing proper values along with the sign convention in the lens formula. First of all, try to clear your confusion regarding the sign convention. This is our convex lens and this is concave lens. Now, in case of a convex lens, you have seen we have placed the object on the left hand side of the lens. So, whenever object is placed in the left hand side, we will take its value as negative. Treat this as a number line. This is our 0. This is the negative side of the number line and this is the positive side of the number line. Same is the case with concave lens. We are placing the object on the left hand side. So, u is also negative in both these cases. Now coming to V, it means the distance of the image. Now image is forming in first 5 cases on the right hand side. We have seen that the image is forming real and inverted. It means it is forming on the right hand side. It means it is the real image. For real images, V is positive. For first 5 cases, V is positive. For first 5 cases. And for the last case, when the image is virtual and it is forming on the left hand side of the lens, it is negative in only the last case because the nature of image is virtual in this case. In all the first 5 cases where the image is real and inverted, we are taking V as positive. But we know that in case of a concave lens, image is always formed on left hand side of the lens. It means V is always negative because this is negative side of the number line, this is 0 and this is positive side. So image is forming on the same side where object is placed in case of a concave lens. So V is negative. The distance of image is negative in case of a concave lens. Now coming to focal length is always positive for a convex lens because it is a converging lens and here focal length is negative. So very easy to learn for you that in case of a concave lens, U, V and F all are negative. The confusion is only in this case when we are talking about the distance of the image in case of a convex lens, which is positive in first 5 cases where the image is real and inverted, and it is negative in only the last case where the image is virtual and erect and magnified in case of a convex lens. First, very easy numerical is a convex lens has a focal length of 20 centimeter and we know that focal length of a convex lens is always positive. Find the distance from the lens where an object should be placed. It means we have to find the distance of the object. It means u we have to calculate here so that it forms an image at a distance of 40 centimeter. Distance of image, it means V is given 40 centimeter on the other side of the lens. It means it is taken positive. So according to the question, focal length is 20 centimeter. Focal length of convex lens. So plus 20 centimeter and image is forming at a distance of 40 centimeter on the other side of the lens. It means it is also taken as positive because we are taking the image on the other side of the optical center. So straightway coming to the lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. We have to calculate the object distance U. So 1 by U is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by F. 1 by V means 1 by 40 minus 1 by F means 20. LCM is 40. 1 minus 2, it means minus 1 by 40. So U is equal to minus 40 centimeter on the left side of the lens. We are placing the object at a distance of 40 centimeter. You can also check your answer here. In this case, image is formed at a distance of 40 centimeter of a lens where focal length is given as 20. It means focal length is 20 and image is forming at 20 plus 20. It means 40 centimeter. It means 2f. And whenever the object is at 2f, the image is also formed at 2f. It means the object is also at 40 centimeter and image is forming at 40 centimeter. You can also check your answer according to the knowledge of the ray diagrams you have related with these lenses. Now, or concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter, and we know the focal length of concave lens is negative, forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. It means the distance of the image from the lens is 10 centimeter, and we know in case of a concave lens it is forming on the left hand side. It means here we have to take the minus sign also along with 10 centimeter. The position of the object we have to find here. So the focal length of the concave lens is given as 15 centimeter, but we know that we have to take a negative sign here. And image is forming at a distance of 10 centimeter. And we know that in case of a concave lens, image is forming on the left hand side of the lens. So it means we have to take a negative sign here also. Now we have to find the position of the object. The lens formula remains the same, 1 minus v 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So we have to calculate 1 by u. It means 1 by v minus 1 by f. 1 by v is minus 10 minus 1 by f is minus 15. So LCM of 15 and 10 is 30. So 10, 330 minus sign minus minus plus 15 2. It means minus 1 by 30. Value of u is minus 30 centimeter. It means object is placed in the left hand side of the lens at a distance of 30 centimeter in this case of a concave lens. It means it is in the front of the lens. Next statement is an object 3 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex lens. It means u is given and we have to take it along with the negative sign. So minus 20 centimeter of focal length 12 centimeter. Because this is a convex lens, so focal length is positive. Find the position of the image formed. We have to find the value of v in this case. So here the focal length of convex lens is given as 12 centimeter, and we know that this is convex lens, so focal length is positive, and the object distance is 20 centimeter in front of a convex lens. It means on the left hand side. It means we have to take the minus sign here. Find the position of the image formed. We have to find the value of v. Here the object is 3 centimeter high. It means O is also given. The height of the object is also given, but it is just to make you confuse. We are not going to use it, at least in this question. Now 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. We have to calculate the value of v. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. Value of f is 1 upon 12 plus value of v in is minus 20. So LCM of 12 and 20 is 60. 12, 560 minus 20, 360. It means 2 upon 60. It means 1 upon 30. 1 upon 30. Value of V is plus 30 centimeter. It means image is forming on the right hand side of the lens because its value is positive. It indicates that this image is real and inverted in case of a convex lens here, because the image is forming on the opposite side of the lens. In this numerical, a 5 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Convex lens, focal length positive. The distance of the object from the lens is 30 centimeter. Object is placed on the left hand side, so minus 30 centimeter. Find the size of the image formed. Here we have to find the size of the object. It means we have to use the magnification formula also. M is equal to I upon O. O is the size of the object. This is the convex lens. This is the size of the object which is placed on the left hand side. So O is the size of the object which is given here as 5 centimeter. Next, it is perpendicular to the axis and focal length is given as 20 centimeter because this is convex lens, the focal length is positive. Now, the distance of the object from the lens is 30 centimeter. It means U. Object distance is 30 centimeter but on the left hand side, so minus 30 centimeter. Now we are using the formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. First we have to calculate the value of V here. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by F plus 1 by U. Value of F, focal length is given as 20 centimeter. plus 1 upon u is given as minus 30. So the LCM of 20 and 30 is 60, 23 and then 2. It means 1 upon 60. So value of V is plus 60 centimeter. It means image is forming on the right hand side of the lens, opposite side of the lens where object is placed. So V is positive plus 60 centimeter on the opposite side of the lens. Now the size of the image formed. We know that magnification is equal to I upon O is equal to V upon U. So we are going to use this formula in many other numericals also. So value of I we don't know, we have to find. So we take it as just I, and value of O is 5, value of V is 60, value of U is minus 30. So value of I comes out to be 5 multiplied by 60 divided by 30. It means minus 10. Value comes out to be minus 10 centimeters. So the I, value of I, it means the length of this image is 10 centimeter, and minus sign shows that it is a real and inverted image. Now, an object is kept at a distance of 30 centimeter from the lens of power plus 5 diopter. Here we can think that plus 5 power is of a convex lens only, because the power of convex lens is positive because it is a converging lens. Find the position of the image V, we have to find here. Draw ray diagram also. So what are given in this question? The value of u, and value of u is always negative in both the cases. 30 centimeter is the value of the object. Distance of the object from the lens is minus 30 centimeter. Here the power of the lens is given. Power is given as plus 5 diopter, and we know that focal length is equal to 1 upon power, 1 upon 5. It means 0.2 meter is the focal length, and converting to centimeter it becomes 20 centimeter. So focal length is 20 centimeter, and this is a convex lens, so focal length is positive. Here we can also see. Now we have to find the position of the image, means V we have to find. So 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. It means 1 by V is equal to 1 by F plus 1 by U. Value of focal length is 20 centimeter. Value of U is minus 30 centimeter, and the LCM of 20 and 30 it is 60. It means 3 minus 2, value is 1 upon 60. So value of V is equal to 60 centimeter, and it is plus. It means on the opposite side of the lens, or you can say right hand side of the lens. In this case we need to draw the ray diagram also. So this is the convex lens, this is the optical center, this is focal length, and focal length we have calculated as 20 centimeter. So this is 20 centimeter, this is first focal length, and then image is forming at 60, 20, 2f 40 and 60. Beyond 2f this image is forming, beyond 2f at a distance of 60 centimeter. And object is placed at a distance of 30. It means this is the distance of object. U is equal to 30 centimeter. So this is the diagram, and to complete this diagram, first ray which is parallel to the principal axis will pass through focus, and second ray passing through optical center, it will meet this ray, and here you can see the image is forming at a distance of 60 centimeter. This is object AB, and this is the image, inverted image A dash B dash. It is inverted, it is real, it is magnified also. Here you can see the object is at a distance in between F and 2F, and image is forming beyond 2F. This is F, this is 2F, and this is beyond 2F, 20, 40 and 60. Beyond 2F when the object is in between F and 2F. So your knowledge of ray diagram will also come use in these numericals. In next numerical, a figure is given, AB is the object and CD is the image formed. Given AB is 2 centimeter, CD is 1.5 centimeter, and BC is total 8 centimeter. In first part, we have to find the nature of the lens used, As we can see, the image is forming which is inverted in nature, and we know that this nature will possible only in the case of converging lens. It means convex lens we have used here. Second part, position of the lens. So position of the lens is at point O. Here we need to draw a ray diagram again. This is the position of the lens at point O, and here we are placing the object which is this AB of 2 centimeter. Now the position of the lens is at point O. This is our second part. Third, position of the focus. Now position of the focus is at F point. We know that ray which is parallel to the principal axis will pass through the focus. So the ray is passing through focus. So this is the focus point. And second ray which is passing from optical center will go undeviated and will meet this ray, and here we are getting the inverted image CD of the object. So in third part, position of the focus is at point F. In fourth part, find the focal length of the lens. For this we need to do calculation. Here the size of the object is given. It means O is given as 2 centimeter and size of the image is given as 1.5 centimeter. So O and I are given in the question. Now we know magnification formula M is equal to V upon U, or we can say I upon O. Now value of I is 1.5 and value of O is 2. It means it is 3 upon 4. So value of V upon U is equal to 3 upon 4. Or we can also take it as V is equal to 3 upon 4U, and this is our first equation. Value of V in terms of U we are taking here. Now second equation, we know that this total value is 8. It means U plus V total is 8. We are putting this value here. U plus 3 by 4U is equal to 8. So LCM is 4. 4U plus 3U, it means 7U is equal to 8. So value of U is 8 into 4 upon 7. It means 32 upon 7, and its value is 32 upon 7 centimeter. In fractions we can take here. Now value of F, we also have to find the focal length in this case. So 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Here 1 by F we need to find. So 1 by V is V we have calculated. In the terms of U it is 3 by 4. So value of V is 3 by 4 into value of U is 32 by 7. So it means 4, 8, 8, 3, 24 upon 7 centimeter is the value of V. And we are placing this value here. So value is 24 upon 7. So 1 upon 24 upon 7 becomes 7 upon 24. Then minus, and value of U is minus 7 upon 32. From this second equation, this is third equation, we are getting these values and filling in this formula, lens formula. Now 24 and 32 LCM is 96. So here 28 plus minus minus plus is 21. So value is 49 upon 96. So we can say focal length is equal to 96 upon 49 or 1.959, or approximately we can take it as 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter is the focal length, which is our fourth part in this case. First we have to find the value of V in the terms of U, then total value of U plus V we know is 8. Then we can find the value of U here, then substitute this value of U here, and then we find the value of V, then substituting this value of V and U in the lens formula, and we will get the value of F in this case. In this numerical, a figure is given, AB is the object, CD is the image formed, value of AB is given as 2 centimeter, value of CD is 1 centimeter, and value of BC is 2.5 centimeter. First of all, in first part we have to find the nature of the lens. In this part we can see the image is erect and at the same time it is diminished also and virtual also. So virtual and diminished, if the nature of the image, then the lens is concave lens. So in first part we just need to write the concave lens, or you can also write diverging lens. In second part, position of the lens. The position of the lens is at point O. Again, we have to draw the diagram also. So this is the concave lens. This is the principal axis. This is the position of O, or you can say the position of the lens at this point is O. Now, position of the focus. Position of the focus is at point F. We know that here the object is placed at this point AB of 2 centimeter height. Then the ray which is coming parallel to the principal axis will diverge from the point which is known as focus. So this is our focus. This is third part. We have to find the focus at point F. And second ray which is passing from the optical center will go undeviated, and the rays where these two rays meet is the point where image is formed, and this is the image which is CD of length 1 centimeter. Show it dotted always, because we know the nature of the image is virtual in this case. Now in last part, we have to find the focal length of this lens. Here O, it means object distance is given as 2 centimeter and I is given as 1 centimeter. So again, using the same magnification formula, M is equal to V upon U, or we can also take it as I upon O. Now the value of V and U we don't know, but we know the values of I and O, 1 and 2. So V is equal to U upon 2. This is our first equation of V. In terms of U, we have get this value. Now total this value of, this is our object distance, which is U, and this is our image distance, which is V. So from the diagram, we can calculate that U is equal to V plus 2.5, because we know this total value, it means the distance in between object and image is 2.5. So U minus V is equal to 2.5. You can also write it as U minus V is equal to 2.5, or U is equal to V plus 2.5. So U is equal to V plus 2.5. We have get the value of U in terms of V here. Now second value is V is equal to U plus 2. So U is equal to U upon 2 plus 2.5. It means U minus half U is U by 2 is equal to 2.5. It means value of U is equal to 5 centimeter. So value of the distance of the object from the lens is 5 centimeter in our case. And value of V, it means image distance is half of this. It means 5 upon 2. It means 2.5 centimeter. Now the value of U and V are both with us. So we can use lens formula. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Now value of 1 by V, V in case of concave lens is negative. Value of V is minus 2.5 centimeter. So minus 2.5 minus 1 upon U, U is also negative, minus 5. So we can cancel decimal here. This is 10 upon 25. LCM is 25. Value comes out to be minus 10, and then minus minus plus. It means 5, 5, 25. It means minus 5 upon 25 minus 1 upon 5. So focal length is equal to minus 5 centimeter in case of this concave lens. Focal length is 5 centimeter. It's time to conclude my today's video. Now it's your turn to put in your efforts. I am giving you 2-3 more numericals. Solve them and give the answers in the comment section. If you still have any doubt, you can refer to my previous video on this chapter light. I am giving the links of all the videos in the description box. You can refer there. I'm very happy to see your response that you have given the answers in the comment section before the premiere has finished of the previous video. Thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.